so we are at Target. Uh-oh, Nina dropped her thinking putty.
I don't know why she has thinking putty.
She wanted thinking putty from Barnes & Noble. Of course, we're not going to open it. She's just playing with the container. And Mya or Alayah will get the putty eventually. And then Alayah got this from Barnes & Noble to go with her room. But we are at Target. We just left Barnes & Noble. And you guys keep telling us they have things in the dollar section for Valentine's Day. I don't know if you said Squishies, but I think they said slime. Did they say slime?
Yeah, they did say slime.
They said slime?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys tell the girls on like Musical.ly and Instagram and stuff what they have at stores as well. So thank you so much for that, because I can't always read comments because I'm a busy mama.
I always get on the ball.
I know, Alayah loves the Target balls. Remember when they were like Mario and Luigi and Pokemon balls? That was really cool.
Yeah, they put like a little cover on.
Little covers, yeah.
I don't know why they were Mario and Luigi.
Alright, you ready to go see what they have?
Yep.
Okay, so here's the dollar section. Wow, it is stuffed with things. Look at these, Alayah.
Wow.
The purple poop and the, I don't really know what.
Unimoji.
Unimoji. This is cute.
Mochi uni, no. Mochi corn.
They used to have a whole bunch of stuff over here for Alayah's room theme. But we don't see unicorn stuff anymore. Here's some Valentine's Day stuff.
Caticorn should be called a unicat.
Unicat?
Yeah, I said a cat.
Yeah, I made up the word caticorn and other people started, I guess that's what they're really called. So I didn't make it up, but that's what I started calling it before I knew it was an actual caticorn.
Yeah. I already know
So,
look,
a whole bunch of Valentine's Day stuff. That's really cute.
you're
Stationery.
Valentine.
They have some character figures, some Valentine's Day stationery. They have some stamps. So they have these cute mailboxes. And what do they have over here? Oh, what is that?
Phones?
Is that phloem?
Yeah.
Is that what that is? I guess it's like a Valentine's, I guess. They have a purple, a blue, another purple. I guess they're like, is it crunchy slime?
I guess it's slow.
I think this is crunchy slime. How much are they? They're $1. Maybe we'll get 2 of them and show you guys at home if it's more like crunchy slime or phloem. So we'll get a purple one and a blue one. They look really fun. They look like they'll be fun to squish and play with. So we'll get one of each, and they're only $1. You have to really like dig to find things because everything is all over the place. So Alayah just found another one, guys.
It's a unicorn.
Have these two, the blue and the purple, and she found this one. It's a unicorn.
And it's like hot pink.
That's a really pretty color. So do you want to get these 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get these 3 and show you guys what they're like.
That's gonna be my favorite.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you found that one. Alayah, do you want this for your crystal? It's only $1.
Yeah.
You want to tell them what you made?
At school, there was this crystal making kit that we bought at Family Dollar for a video.
Dollar Tree, right?
Oh yeah, no, it's Family Dollar.
Family Dollar?
Yeah, where we found the little squishies.
Oh, okay.
So I brought that to school because we're learning about rocks and crystals and stuff. So, and it took it a few days to grow. There was 2 rocks to grow crystals on. One of them didn't work, but one of them grew to be big and beautiful.
Yeah, and when the crystal was finished growing at school and everybody could see, then her teacher gave it to her in a big container, but she has to bring the big container back. So we were looking for a small container, and guys, this is only $1.
Yeah, and the crystal ended up pink, so this would be
Yeah, it would be perfect in there, and you can put it in your room, up on your shelf, and it would look really cute. So we did make a video on this for you guys, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I figured if you didn't see our video, a couple videos back where we came to Target and found the Gudetama Squishies made by Squish Me. They do have them here at Target and they are $4.99. So they have 8 that you can get and you can collect them all. So if you guys want to see that video, you can go back a couple videos and we showed all the ones that we found here. Okay guys, so these are the crunchy slimes we got. We are going to show you guys these when we get home. This is not what we were told was here on Instagram, but we are still going to be on the lookout for that. So we're still going to show you guys how these are out of the packaging when we get home.
Okay guys, so we are home now. Here are the 3 crunchy slimes. They are all actually Valentine's Day, and I'm only going to be opening this one because this one's mine, but this one needs to go in my room as decoration, and this one's Maya's. So we're going to open this one. It says it's a llama. The llama on here. And now I'm just going to open the plastic off of it. That's here. And these are all $1. It says right here. They're all $1. Here it is. You are a llama fun. So we're gonna open this up. It's a card. That's nice. So it's a Valentine's card. You can give it to your friend. It says Happy Valentine's Day. And it says yo. The llama's saying yo. And it says from. And then it says to my love. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day, guys. So this is the shape of the llama. Now we're gonna open it. So excuse the background noise. My little brother is standing right behind me watching Blaze and the Monster Machines on TV. So it was super hard to open. We had to use some scissors to open it. Wow. Take it out. Put it inside out. It's kind of hard to take out. We have to put it inside out to take out. It's coming. So here it is. It's super squishy, super stretchy, super soft. It's very crunchy. You guys hear that? Going to be the end of this video, so if you guys enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below if you found the $1 crunchy slime or if you love the unicorn slime. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.